Hi, I'm Paolo from Coastline's Career Services, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use Google Bard to explore different careers. Google Bard is Google's version of ChatGPT, and one advantage that Google Bard does is be able to provide links, which is really helpful when it comes to exploring different careers. For example, let's say you want to know what kind of jobs you could get with an associate's in data analytics. So right here on the chat, I'm going to ask it, what jobs can I pursue with an associate's degree in data analytics? Click enter. So as you can see, they give you different titles here, such as data analyst, business intelligence analyst, data visualization specialist, with different links. So if I click this on data analyst, let's say you're wondering what that is, I'm going to click that. It gives you more information about the job. So keep in mind that sometimes it doesn't provide links. Another resource I recommend is using Occupational Outlook Handbook, and I'm going to put that on the link as well. So let's say you're curious and you want to learn more about data analysts. I'm going to copy that, go to Occupational Handbook, search it on the search bar, click go, click on that first link, and now it shows you a really comprehensive information on data scientists. It tells you the median pay, it tells you their job outlook in the next 10 years, for example. It tells you it's growing faster than normal, and these links on top are different tabs of much more information. So it tells you what they do, the duties that they do, it tells you their typical work environment, it tells you how to become one, so education, all that stuff. It tells you pay as well, a job outlook, and you could also search by state as well. Keep in mind that having relevant experience is as important as your education. So if you do need help with that, you could always set a Zoom appointment with me. I'll put the link down below. I'll talk to you soon.